Today I will talk about how can you disable event notifications on your Discord app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. When notifications show for you, then you click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and you click here on get notifications outside of Discord here, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and you go down here. When event notifications show for you, click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color is gone here, that's when event notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.